Alright, this is going to be a walkthrough of activity 13-8, creating and configuring a virtual directory. Basically going to create a share, and we are going to then use that as the pool for the HTML documents that will be hosted in the website we created called dovercorp.net. So starting from number 1, we're going to go ahead and go to our appropriate drive. Mine is E, the book says D. You know the spill, and we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it Virtual Directory. Alright, we are going to go ahead and share it. And we're going to make sure maximum allowed, make sure everyone has the allow read, and make sure everybody has the read permissions as well for standard users. Okay, and that's good. So they have basically read-only permissions. They can't edit anything. Now we're going to create a new folder and create a new document in here. Whoops. Whoops. Text document. Edit the document, and what are we going to put in? Body. Close body tag. And we're going to say this is a virtual directory. Whoops. On VM domain 01, which is the name of mine. Yours, of course, will be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have any impact. The important thing is to have all of your open and close tags appropriate. Open and close HTML, open and close body, H1 open, H1 close. We're going to say save. Rename it as index.htm. Yes. Okay, and starting from number 4, we're going to go to Administrative Tools, IIS Manager, go to our websites, and go to DoverCorp. We're going to right-click on it, and we're going to say New, and we're going to say Virtual Directory. This will open up the wizard that it talks about in number 5, and we'll say Next, and it says alias. We're going to type customers, and path is going to be VM domain of 1, virtual directory, and at this point we should be at number 08 on the security credentials. We want to ensure that this is selected. Always use authenticated users credentials. Next. We accept the defaults, which are read and run scripts. And we say next, and we say finish. And now we have a new grouping called customers as our virtual directory, and of course it shows the file index.htm which is in there. And now we can say right click, we say properties, and we just want to double check some of these. Customers was the name we gave it. Read, we'll say cancel, and now we're going to go to run, say http:// localhost customers, and that is basically it. We've created a share. It could be on this server or any server, and we've created a virtual directory. So instead of having the files physically on this machine, we're just linking to a different server, of course using credentials that will spread across. IIS is managed by NTFS and share permissions, and since those all line up, any user on the domain would be able to read these files, and they must be able to read them. And as you recall, this is our footer that's added for all files that will then be called up. This concludes our walkthrough of activity 13-8, creating and configuring a virtual directory.